Hello, this is Rainer from tyre, and today we want to show you how to prepare yourself when you want to drive in sand or in sandy areas, and also how to get unstuck again out of sand or mud if this should happen to you. If you should come to an area where you see that the road is going to get very sandy, you need to prepare yourself and your vehicle in order not to get stuck. So this is the best thing, to really be prepared and not to even get stuck in the first place. The most important thing is tire pressure. There's different tire pressures which are also written on your car. So you have a tire pressure for driving on tar roads. There's a tire pressure for driving on gravel roads. If you go into sand, you need to reduce your tire pressure even more than on a gravel road. And the reason for that is that your tire just gets a bigger area on which it can tread, and this gives the car more traction and makes it easier to drive through sand. So in this case with the Land Cruiser, and a bit depending on how soft the sand is going to get, we can reduce the tire pressure to between 1.2 to 1.8 bar if the tire is cold. If you do get stuck, or if you see that your car is still having problems driving through the sand, that it's very difficult, you can reduce your tire pressure even more. If it's really soft, it is possible to go down up to 0.8 bar, and this will make it quite easy for you to drive through sand or even to get unstuck out of a situation. In your car and in your glove box, every car is provided with a tire gauge. And this you can use to deflate your tires or check your tire pressure. So for this you go to your tire, you open the valve, and then first of all you check, here you can zero it, and you check your current tire pressure. So my tire is a bit warm now because I was driving, so it shows now 2.3 bars. And if I press it, I can zero it again. So what I want to do now, I want to reduce my tire pressure to at least 1.8 or 1.5 bars, depending a bit on the road ahead. Okay, for that you can either use a stone, a knife, or even the side of your tire gauge, and you press it into your valve. With the knife it's actually easier. And what happens if you reduce it is that it's going to make more of a belly here at the bottom. And this is going to help you to drive through the sand. Then always double check again. So it's now 1.9. Okay, so now we've got 1.8 bar, and this you need to do with all your tires, all your driving tires.